Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in my video I'm gonna tell you a very important thing, that is how many of them are using night creams. Night cream is very essential for our skin, seriously. Nowadays people are using some of the serums, vitamin C, vitamin D serums, and many kind of serums are available in the market nowadays. So we started using those creams at the night, and we are keeping our skin very rich. So why can't we prepare night cream at home, that too with very natural things? I mean, like things which are available at home. Yes, we do. It is not very hard, it's very easy. I will tell you how to prepare the night cream at home and use, and there won't be any expiry like the creams which are available in the market. So every month we can prepare again and keep it in a refrigerator and use it and again keep it in the refrigerator. So what I'm gonna use and what I'm gonna add ingredients in this, now I'm gonna show you. So these are all very easy things which are available in the market and also at home, and very useful things which are available in this season. I'm using that, and with a very good seasonal fruit, that is papaya. So I hope everybody can understand, and if you are watching my video for the first time, so you can find a subscribe button at the bottom of my video, and there will be a bell button beside that. You can click that bell button, so you can find the notification soon, and you can find the video of mine and you can watch it. So let's not delay it, and let's not make it lag. Let's get started. Papaya pulp is ready in bowl. I just mashed papaya pieces. You can also make paste by using mixie. Take another bowl and add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel in that. Small quantity is enough as we are preparing for 1 month. Also for only single person. Add 1 capsule of vitamin E, which will be available in the market easily. So just 1 capsule is enough. Then mix properly until you get a white cream like consistency like this, and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Extra virgin coconut oil will be very good. Otherwise you can add parachute, but I always prefer extra virgin coconut oil, which will be available in Amazon very easily. So try buying that one. If you can buy one, it can be used for many things. Now add 1 tablespoon of papaya pulp in this and mix properly. You can also add glycerin, but that is an optional. If you want to get a shiny or a glowy skin, you can add glycerin, which will give you moisturizing also. Now I'm showing by applying on hand first, and you can see it is very soft and dries up soon by getting inside the skin very fast. And it is very safe, natural, and no side effects, and 100% working. So this is the night cream which I have prepared and which I have shown you right now how to prepare it. Now I'm gonna apply and show you. I already applied on my hand and shown you. I just have some moisturizer applied to my face, so that is the reason why I'm gonna show you on my hand. You can just apply like this. Apply a little more, they'll be very good glowing. See? There'll be no sticky, as we have added so many oils in this. There won't be any sticky, and I'll show you even the stickiness. If you find anything, please let me know. And you do one thing, prepare this and try at least for 3 days, and let me know in the comment section how it works and how soft you feel. I'm seriously telling you, you will feel very softness on your skin, that too on the cheeks part. And I'm using this since 3 days. I found it very good. That is the reason why I made the video. And here you can see there is no stickiness. It got dried and it went into your skin very fast. See? No more dryness, no more stickiness. So this is the very good night cream which you can use, and by this if you keep on using this for few days, there are chances that you can reduce the dark spots if you have, and you can when you use this to your face, and you find the reduction in the dark circles also. Yes. So I hope you like this video, and you'll encourage me with the, nowadays I'm getting so many subscribers also. I hope you'll encourage by sharing my video to all your family members, and I'm very happy to be in touch with your family members and friends. So let's just be unite, and let's just be one family in my channel, and that will be very happy for me. So thanks a lot for watching my video. If you have any doubts, you can just give it in the comment section, and if you have any complaints or issues also, you can give in the comment section. If you have any box or any container, small container, in that you can store it, and you can keep this for almost a month, because papaya will not get spoiled, and we have added very good oils in this which will not get spoiled soon. So you can use this for 1 month, and you can again prepare after 1 month, and if there is leftover thing, you can just discard it and use a new one. So let's not use the spoiled one, or let's not have a doubt, and even though it has not got spoiled, let's not have a doubt, and let's not take a risk. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.